Maximize your fruit yield with precision thinning, fully automated. The Slopehelper Blossom Thinner eliminates the need for manual adjustments, ensuring consistent and accurate flower thinning in orchards. Unlike traditional methods, its adaptive, vertical positioning system maintains the perfect height, even on uneven or slippery terrain. The Blossom Thinner continuously adjusts its distance for precise thinning. No missed spots, no over-thinning. Its smart rotation control ensures optimal wire impact for gentle yet effective thinning, preventing damage to future fruit stems. And thanks to amortized string technology, thinning is smoother and faster while maintaining fruit-bearing potential. 100% autonomous, zero emissions, zero hassle, maximum efficiency. For a smarter, stress-free orchard, Slopehelper Blossom Thinner delivers. The hinged cutting system maintains precision on uneven terrain, while the automatic folding mechanism ensures smooth row transitions without interruptions.